So research makes good design amazing. It is the only difference between a good design and a great design. So guys, welcome back to the channel and my name is Yash, and today we are going to discuss about how you should research your designs or how I proceed the research step in my designs. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now let's move on. So first of all, you need to know why the research is important. So I have sum up it into three factors why the research is important. By the way, it is very important. Before designing, you should focus on the research part more. So yeah, let's now discuss about the 3 points. Number one, it is time saving. But most of the people, you will think that research consumes time. So how it can be time saving? But if you give a particular time period to research, then you design, and so you have a framework in your mind. So at in the end, the time we consume after doing research and time we consume without researching, it is more. So less time is consumed, so it is time saving when you research properly in a design. Number two, you have more accuracy. As you know what is to be done in the design part. So yes, you will have more accuracy. There will not be any. I feel you would not find any much difficulties while designing a part. You will have a framework in your mind, so it will be easy and it will be more accurate. Number three, it is quite easy after you have done research, you have to design. So third one, I have chosen this. Yeah, it is quite easy. While when you have done a proper research, you then you design. It is much easier than without having any idea and designing random stuff. So now let's move to my screen and I will show you my research process, how I carry on my research. So yeah, let's move to my screen. So now we are here at my screen, and you need to be aware about the topic on which you are designing, and then you have to research for three parts. First part is color, and second one is font, and third one is creative. So now let's move to the color part. So first of all, I am choosing the topic. Okay, now in for this video I am using the topic fashion. So just simply search fashion on Google, and you can go also on clothes section, or you can just find out an image. For example, this is the image. So just copy it and paste it in your Photoshop. So now we have this image in the Photoshop. So now you can see the color pink and yellow are matching, or you can also see the shade of yellow and green, or maybe a little bluish tone and yellow tone. So what you can do is you can just make a ellipse and give it the color from this image. You can pick the color. For example, you have chosen the pink. Let's move it to a little bit muted side, and similarly you have given it a color yellow. You can change its hue, changing its hue to yellow. Okay, and you can also add some light blue. Okay, we have added the light blue, and now you can see it is an amazing beautiful color palette. All the colors are picked up from the image only. The tone of pink or the tone of blue, you can just simply maybe go to this. And for the yellow, I would love to keep yellow light only, but you can choose colors from this palette. So this is an amazing way to choose colors. and you can choose according yourself. So now let us try to use this color. So let me write, let's rock, and you can just simply give it a shade of pink and then a shade of blue, and you can adjust the color accordingly, and you can see how well this is looking, and it is looking amazing. So yeah, you can choose color palettes in this way. And now let's move to the fonts. For fonts, what you can do is you can just go to the maybe Behance or Dribbles or Pinterest. Let's go to Behance, or maybe you can also go to the Google, and you can simply type fashion fonts, and you can choose among them. Or if you do not want to do this thing also, the best way is you can just go to the Behance or different websites just like Dribbles. You can use fashion flyers. You can just search for fashion flyers or fashion flyers. Let's choose fashion banners. You can choose for fashion banners, and just like this it is the hairstyle, and you can choose the font. Like you can just simply take a screenshot of this, and on Google just simply search font picker from image, and you can upload your image here. Just upload your image here. You can just take a screenshot then upload, and it will suggest you some related fonts if not the same font. So you can do this stuff. Now let's move towards the creative part. So for creative part, I would suggest you to go through the Pinterest, and you can just simply search for fashion, and you can get a few images. Okay, this is not working. Creatives fashion creative ads. Let's go to this, and from this you can just go for the creative. Like you can see the bench part. Well, this is not looking good, I feel. And now this is an amazing creative idea. You can add this type of effect and colors according to yourself, and it is also a good creative idea for if you're example making for a fashion shopping website. You can use this type of creative, and you can see different types of creative. You can also pick colors from here. Rather going to Google, you can go here. Here are much more better colors, I feel. So yes, you can pick colors or maybe fonts, and yes, you can have a good research for your design project. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. So make sure to hit a like and do consider subscribing, and do follow me on Instagram and different social media platforms. Links are in the description. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye guys.